As the world leader in steam and thermal energy solutions, we are constantly striving to ensure our customers have the support and technology they require to stay ahead of their challenges. Nine specialist manufacturing sites, located around the globe, deliver high-quality products and solutions that adhere to local design and certification requirements on short lead times. Our strength is our ability to work locally in partnership with our customers. We promise our customers a first-class service, providing global solutions at a local level.